feel your embrace. Through rustling leaves I find your grace. Mountains stand tall, rivers run free. In the heart of nature you speak to me. One with nature, one with God. In every sunrise, in every sigh, your creation, vast and wide. I find my peace in your love. I confide in the bird song. I hear your voice. In blooming flowers I rejoice. Stars at night in gentle glow remind me of your love bestowed. One with nature, one with God. In every sunrise, in every side, your creation, vast and wide. I find my peace in your love. I confide.